In this video, I will guide you how to place a free job ad on gov.uk. So if you're planning to apply for sponsored license, then in that case, just go on gov.uk. In the search section, just write place job ad. Click search. So when you're applying for sponsored license, obviously you wanted to hire someone. To hire someone, you need to prove them the evidence that where you have placed the ad. So gov.uk is one of the best website. Obviously, this is the only genuine website we have. Click on this section. When you will do the search, it says advertise a job. Employers can use the find a job service to advertise jobs online. So if you click on this will take you to this page. This service is only available for England, Scotland and Wales. So obviously we are targeting just now England, Scotland, let's assume. So advertise your jobs. Now what you need before you start, you need to know your company name, address, telephone number, approximate number of employees you have, and then obviously you need disability confident registration status. That's important. Now before that, you need to create ad. Okay, when you will place the ad, what will happen? You can use this service to add your company, post your job advertisement to our audience on UK job seekers, request recruitment advice and support to help you find the right candidate for your business. So if you wanted to hire applicants, you can do that as well from this. So let's start. Create account. The first question is create an employer's account. Enter your email address and password. Next part is check your inbox. An email has been sent. So you have 30 minutes. Within 30 minutes, you have to click that link. Once you land on this page, this will say your details, company details, optional details. So the first one is your email address. Next is your name. Third, your phone number. Fourth, the preferred method to contact. So best is always email, and then you will tick over here and click continue. On second page, you have the options for company details. So you will provide your company name. So your limited company name, for example, your company telephone number, company size. So if you have micro means 1 to 10, small means 11 to 50, mediums 51 to 250, large 250 plus. So in this case, I'll select 11 to 50, small company. Next option is company type. So this is basically a management company with the management consulting. So we'll select this one. Company address, you will provide that, full company details. Next option is recruitment advice and support. Job Center Plus offers tailored support and advice to help you recruit. Our employers advisors can work with you to write job description, plan recruitment campaign, simplify your recruitment process, connect to candidate. And these options are free. You don't pay anything to them. To benefit this, we may ask you to participate in our job fairs, runs information sessions, use the job center as a venue. You can use that to conduct interviews as well. Further, if we go down, there's a disability confidence. You will provide all the details. Yes, it's if you are registered, is your company registered with the disability confident scheme? Yes or no? And this one is no. How did you hear about find a job service? So you can mention gov.uk because gov.uk, or you can mention YouTube videos. And after that, you will click continue and you will jump on this page. Then it will ask you about optional details. So what are the optional details? Additional company information. For example, if you have a website, trading name, company's house registration number, VAT number, charity reference number, and then click continue. Now it will ask you to verify all the details. So check your company details that you have provided all the details correct. So you can correct, and then after that you go down and click continue. Now you will land on this page, which is for employers, your companies. So we have two companies over here. So first one, both the status over here, your role, and then you have action, manage jobs and edit. So what job you wanted to post, you will click over here, manage jobs. On top it says has no adverts. You must post at least one advert to activate this company. So this is a new company. So I'll click post ad. Now create a new job. So you'll provide the job title, job reference detail. Where will this job be done? So on site, on road, or in the field, hybrid, remote, or fully remote. You'll provide all the details over here. So this one is on site. So I'll provide the details of the job location, the postcode. Next is job description, company name, job category, job type, hours. So what hours? So is it a full time or part time? So less than 30 hours per week, full time 30 hours per week or more. So I'll click 30 hours per week or more. Would you like to add a salary? So you can put that salary over here as well. Then you can put the period details as well, additional information. So next option is, how would you like to receive applications? So email, telephone, or link to your website. Do you want the job to be available for the maximum 30 days? Yes. So this is how you will click, and you will click post job. Now let me show you how to find the job code. So obviously we wanted to post a job. We wanted to make sure that it meets the requirement. So go on skilled worker visa, click your job. At the bottom, you have the options, view the table of eligible jobs. In this table, you will only look for the higher ones. If you're looking for someone for dependent, for example. So in this case, I'm looking for property manager. So I know that's not the higher one. So if I click property over here, I'll click property, then 1251 is the job code, property housing estate managers. Now this don't tell me all the job codes. This is medium skilled. It says facilities managers, landlords, property and housing manager, property investor and developer, sales and letting manager, property housing. But I don't have the exact name which I'm looking for. So what I will do, I'll copy 1251. I'll go back, and then over here on this main page, which was the skilled worker visa, go down, look for this tool, Cascade Occupation Coding Tool. Click on this, and this will take you to the table which they have created. Click search 1251 code. Now this will give you the whole list. Even if I click 1251 over here, 125. So now if I click 1251, on the right side, I will see the job title. So if I click property, housing and estate manager, the job titles will show over here. At the bottom, it also shows that what qualification they need and what experience. Right at the bottom, related job titles, estate manager, facilities manager, housing manager, landlord, property management, property manager. So if I click now facilities managers, then this will give me all the other related job codes. This one is a bit slow, but you will see now. So you see this head of facilities, caretaking managers, contract managers, project managers, facilities. So this is all showing over here. Next one is 1251. Now this is 1251 is the main code. Then on the right side, you have 01, 02, 03. So if you see this, all these ones, factors, state manager, factor state, Scotland, landlord, private, landlord, property, manager states. So you have all these ones. So if I am looking for, you also have the owner's property management. So if you have a property management company and you are the owner, then this one. So all these job codes you will select from here. So now finally I have placed the ad, and it says that it will take 3 working days to approve. You can see the status. It says awaiting checks. You can delete the ad over here. You can post another ad. Job idea, job title, everything is over here. So this is how you can place free ad. So instead of going on Indeed and different platform, it's better to place on gov.uk, the only genuine website.